So our next question is, if this is also of real numbers, if 0 point, not 0 point, it is 2.3, 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 0.23 whole to the power of y, that is equals to 1000. We need to find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So what is given? 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 0.23 whole to the power of y, that is equals to 1000. We need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. So how do we do? So first we will note down what is given. So what is given? Given is 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 0.23 whole to the power of y, that is equals to 1000. What do we need to find? We need to find 1 by x minus 1 by y, right? Let us find the solution for this. So how do we do? We take what is given, that is 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to 1000. This 1000 can be written as 10 cube, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So that is 10,000, 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Now let us apply log on both sides. 2.3 whole to the power of x is equals to log 10 cube. What did we do here? Applying log on both sides. But we know some rule. What is that? That log a to the power of m is equals to m into log a. So is it not in the form of log a to the power of m? Yes. So it can be written as m log a. What is our m here? X log 2.3, and the RHS is also in the form of log a to the power of m. M is here 3. So 3 log 10, power can be written first. Okay. Now if I transpose this, log 2.3 is equals to 3 by x log 10. But if there is no base, it means the base is 10. If there is no base, the base is 10. So we also know one of the rules, that log a base a, if the log and the base is the same, then it will be 1. Log a base a is same. So we have log 10 base 10. So the value of this log 10 base 10 will be 1. So log 2.3 is equals to log 2.3 is equals to 3 by x. This is the first thing we got, right? This is the first thing we got. Now let us write it neatly. So this is the first equation. Now coming to the next thing, the second thing what we have is, look at this. So 0.23 is equals to 0.23 whole to the power of y is equals to 1000. 1000 can be written as again 10 cube. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. Let us apply log here also. So log 0.23 whole to the power of y is equals to log 10 cube. What did we do here? Applied log on both sides. So again this is in the form of log a to the power of m. Log a to the power of m. So we can write it as m log a. Log a to the power of m can be written as m log a. So this log a to the power of m, that is y, we can write it as y log 0.23 is equals to 3 log 10. 10 is nothing but, if there is no base means the base is also 10 here. So log 0.23 is equals to 3 by y, log 10 base 10 is 1, as we have already discussed. Here also we have used log a base a. Log a base a value is 1. So, instead of log 10 base 10 we write here 1. 1 into 3 by y is nothing but 3 by y itself. Now, observe this carefully. Can't we write log 0.23 as 2.3 by 10? If we are moving the point 1 digit to the right, 1 place to the right, then we have to write down 10 in the denominator. So, that is equals to 3 by y. Since we know that log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. So, this is in the form of log a by b. So, this can be written as log 2.3 minus log 10, that is equals to 3 by y. But log 2.3 minus log 10 value is 1 because base 10 log 10. So, it is 1 is 3 by y. So, log 2.3 is equals to 3 by y plus 1, minus 1 when transpose it will become plus 1. So, further if you see, what did we get? Log 2.3 is equals to 3 by y plus 1. Let this be equation 1. As you can see here, log 2.3 is equals to 3 by x is the equation 1, isn't it? Here we have log 2.3 is equals to 3 by y plus 1 is the equation 2. Both are the values of 2.3, log 2.3 and log 2.3. It means both are same. So, we can write 3 by x is equals to 3 by y plus 1. That implies 3 by x, if I transpose this to the LHS, I get minus 3 by y is equals to 1. If I take 3 common, you get 1 by x minus 1 by y is equals to 1, and now we can transpose this 3 as well. So, here 3 is multiplying, when it transpose to the RHS it will divide. Therefore, the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is 1 by 3. In order to understand this, we got to do something, that is prove that root 2 is irrational, right. So, before that we should know something in order to understand this. What are co-prime numbers? We need to understand what do you mean by co-primes, and we also need to understand the statement of the theorem that if we had a statement, right, if p divides a square, this implies p divides a. If p divides a square, then p also will divide a. This is the thing you should know. If suppose 2 divides 16, then 16 is nothing but 8 square, right. Then 2 will also divide 8. So, it means that if a number is the square of a number is divisible by some number, then the number is also divisible by the same number. Suppose p is divided by p divides a square, it means a square is divisible by 2, then p also divides a. So, when it comes to co-primes, if I have a by b, if I write it in the rational form, it is a by b, right. So, a by b, if I say that a and b are co-primes, it means there is no other common factor other than 1. It means if I try to simplify, if I try to cancel, I cannot cancel further. Suppose if you have 6 by 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, I was able to cancel, right. Now, look at this 3 by 2, can I further cancel it? No, it is not possible, because there is only one common factor, that is 1. They come both in only one table, that is 1 is their common factor. When the two numbers have the common factor only as 1, then they are said to be co-primes. So, hope that is clear. Now, we will go for our proof of the theorem. Okay. So, the theorem says that we have to prove that root 2 is irrational. Again the same thing, we will be proving this theorem using the contradiction method. Okay. So what is the contradiction method says? That what he has asked us to find, that he has asked us to prove that it is irrational. RTP is root 2 is irrational. We have to prove that root 2 is irrational. So by proof by contradiction means we will assume, let us assume that root 2 is rational. If any number is rational, that can be written as in the form of a by b, right? So root 2 can be written as a by b, where can b be 0? No, not at all. And a and b should be co-primes. Okay, a and b have to be co-primes. So root 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Let a where b not equal to 0 and a by b we have chosen such that they are co-primes. Now if on squaring both sides we get root 2 whole square is equals to a square by b square, that is 2 root 2 and root and square will get cancelled. What is left is 2. 2 is equals to a square by b square. If I transpose this, you will get a square is equals to 2b square. Actually it is 2b square is equals to a square. I have written RHS first, then LHS. It means, suppose you have a number 6 is equals to 2 into 3. It means 2 divides 6. You get 6 in 2 table, right? So 6 is divisible by 2. Here 2 divides 6. So here also we can say that 2 divides a square. What can we say? 2 divides a square. It means this implies 2 divides a square by the theorem. Okay. So similarly, if 2 divides a square, we can say that we had the theorem, right? If p divides a square, since if p divides a square, then p divides a as well. A. If p divides a square, then p divides a. It means if 2 is dividing a square, this implies 2 divides a. This implies 2 divides a, right? If 2 divides a, if I take the example 16 is equals to 2 into 8, right? 2 divides 16. So 16 is actually the square of 4, right? 2 divides 16 means 2 also divides, what is the number? 4. So can we say that 2 also divides 4? Because 2 into 2 is 4, right? It means this 4 can be written as 2 into something. Let that something be here C. So 2 divides A means A is equals to, we can write 2 into C. A is equals to 2 into C. Now again squaring on both sides, we get squaring on both sides, we get a square is equals to 2c whole square. So we have the again law of exponent. You should be thorough with the laws of exponent. So ab whole to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m, b to the power of m, nothing but this square belongs to both 2 as well as c. So you can write a square is equals to 2 square is 4 and c square is c square, right? Now a square we have here, look at this, a square is equals to 2b square and we got here a square is equals to 4c square. From equations 1 and 2 we can say that 2b square is equals to 4c square. 2b square is equals to 4c square. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 you have. or you can do this. You can transpose this. So, b square is equals to 4c square by 2. 2 ones are 2 2s are, right. So, b square is equals to 2c square. It means 2 divides, what does it mean? 2 into b square is written as 2 into something, right. B square is written as 2 into something. It means b 2 divides b square. इसका मतलब है 2 divides b square, which implies 2 divides b. It means, because we have this statement, right, p divides a square, then p also divides a. So, 2 divides b square means 2 divides b. But look at this, here we got 2 divides a, and here we got 2 divides b. But what we have assumed, a and b are co-primes. Is it possible? No. When a and b are possible, they cannot be divided by any other number other than 1. But here we got that a is divided by 2, and 2 also divides a. 2 also divides a as well as b. So, our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? What we got here? 2 divides a and 2 divides b, but a and b are co-primes, but a and b are co-primes, right. This contradicts our assumption. Contradicts means it goes against what we have assumed, contradicts our assumption. What was our assumption? That root 2 is rational. That root 2 is rational. This contradicts our assumption that root 2 is rational. Hence, root 2 is irrational. What is root 2? It is irrational. Our assumption was wrong. It means, what does it mean? Our assumption is wrong, right. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, root 2 is irrational.